In this video, I will show you how to transfer your Pi token to Bitget Wallet. So from the Home tab, go ahead and click on Deposit, or you can also do it from the Assets tab. Just go ahead and click on Deposit, as you can see, and then select Deposit Crypto. Click on the search bar at the top and type in Pi. And in this screen, we will see our deposit address, and we can copy this to our clipboard. And we can also see that the network is Pi network, and that is selected by default, and that is because there is only one network. So in order to transfer our Pi to our Bitget wallet, we need to copy this wallet address to our clipboard, and now we need to go to our Pi app. From our Pi app, we're going to click on the three stripes at the top left. From here, we're going to click on Mainnet. Let's click on View Wallet. Right now we will be redirected to our Pi wallet, and we need to unlock this with our passphrase. So I'm just going to enter it and then unlock it. So go to your Pi wallet, and right now I am on the testnet just to show you how it works. And in here you need to click on send/receive. And right now you can basically add a contact, or you can click on plus, manually add a wallet address. And we're going to click on this. So in here we need to paste in the wallet address that we just copied from Bitget. So let's go ahead and do that. Also enter an amount in here that you want to send. So let's say we want to send 10. Then we're going to click on send at the bottom, and then we will transfer our Pi token to Bitget wallet. And in this screen, you will be asked if you want to confirm this transfer. So let's go ahead and click on confirm. And that is basically how you finalize this transfer. It's really easy and straightforward. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.